So next is nature of quadratic form. A quadratic form is positive definite if all the eigenvalues are greater than 0. That is, all lambda is greater than 0, positive. It is negative definite if all the eigenvalues are negative. Positive semi-definite if there are positive and 0 eigenvalues are there. Some eigenvalues are zeros and some are positive. Negative semi-definite if all eigenvalues are less than or equal to 0. That means 0 eigenvalues and negative eigenvalues are there. And it is indefinite if there are both positive and negative eigenvalues are there. Next, rank of a quadratic form. Rank is equal to number of non-zero eigenvalues. Index is number of positive eigenvalues, and signature is the difference between positive and negative eigenvalues. Okay, so this is the nature of the quadratic form. Next, reduce the quadratic form. 2x square plus 2y square plus 3z square plus 2xy minus 4yz minus 4xz. So discuss the nature also. Okay, reduce into canonical form and discuss the nature. Okay. So first of all, we have to write the matrix of the quadratic form. Matrix of the quadratic form is A is equal to, how will you find the matrix? Here the variables are x, y and z. So write row and column wise. Just identify the position. Here x square, coefficient of x square is 2, coefficient of y square is 2, coefficient of z square is 3. Then coefficient of xy is 2, so half of it is 1 here also. Coefficient of xz is minus 4, so half of it is minus 2. Coefficient of yz is minus 4, so half of it is minus 2. So this is the matrix of the quadratic form. This is the matrix of quadratic form. Next, what is the characteristic equation? Characteristic equation is lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 is equal to 0. What is s1? S1 is sum of the diagonal elements, that is 2 plus 2 plus 3, it is 7. S2 is sum of the minus of the diagonal elements, that is first diagonal is 2, its minor is 2 minus 2 minus 2, 3, plus next diagonal is 2, its minor is 2 minus 2 minus 2, 3. Again third diagonal 2, 1, 1, 2. Just delete the row and column containing this element and find the subdeterminant value. So it is 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4 plus 4 minus 1. It is 6 plus 6, 12 plus 4, 16 minus 9, it is 7. Okay. Next, S3 is determinant of A. What is the determinant of A? 2 into 6 minus 4 minus 1 into 3 minus 4 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. It is 2 into 2, 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1, so plus 1. Minus 2 plus 4 is 2 minus 4. It is 1. So determinant value is 1. Okay, so the characteristic equation is lambda cube minus 7 lambda square plus 7 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. How will you find the values? By trial and error method. Lambda is equal to 1. 1 minus 7 plus 7 minus 1 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 1 is a root. So we can divide. Okay. The coefficients are 1, minus 7, 7 minus 1. 1 minus 7, 7 minus 1 by 1. First element 0, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 7 plus 1, minus 6 into 1, minus 6. Adding 1, 1, 0. So lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. So what is lambda? 6 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2. It is 6 plus or minus root of 32 by 2. It is 6 plus or minus, what is root of 32? Root of 32 is root of 16 into 2. That is 4 root 2 by 2. It is 3 plus or minus 2 root 2. So the eigenvalues are lambda 1, 3 plus 2 root 2 and 3 minus 2 root 2. So this is a positive number. This is also a positive number. 2 into this one. This is also a positive number. So the quadratic form is positive definite because all the eigenvalues are positive. And also the canonical form. What is the canonical form? Canonical form is lambda 1 by 1 square plus lambda 2 by 2 square plus lambda 3 by 3 square. That is 1 by 1 square plus 3 plus 2 root 2 into y2 square plus 3 minus 2 root 2 into y3 square. Okay, this is the canonical form, and this is the process without orthogonal transformation. That means we can just find the lambda's eigenvalues, and the canonical form is lambda 1 by 1 square plus lambda 2 by 2 square plus lambda 3 by 3 square. So this is in the case of a short question. Okay, if the question is to find the canonical form and nature for a 3 or 4 marks short question type, then only you need to write this much. Okay, otherwise if it is a long answer type question, that is for 10 or 8 marks, then we have to write the whole diagonalization process. That is, for each of the eigenvalues we have to find the eigenvectors, then diagonal matrix D is to be find out, that is Q transpose AQ. Okay.